Hello everyone! This is my YouTube series God Talk. In these videos, I will be talking about the God of the Bible. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave any comments or questions down below, especially if you want to help me to get this message out to more people. Today's video is going to be a little bit silly as we put our attention onto the anomaly of sneezing and the response of bless you. So first, let's talk about what exactly a sneeze is. A sneeze is pretty much an automatic reflex that absolutely can't be stopped after it is started, although they may on some occasions be stifled. Sneezes are so fast that they can travel up to a speed of 100 miles an hour, and the spray can radiate at a 5-foot distance. People don't sneeze when they are asleep because those nerves are resting. 18 to 35% of people sneeze when exposed to a sudden bright light. I am one of those people. Sneezes are estimated to expel 100,000 germs per sneeze. So, the phrase bless you is widely supposed to have been originated from superstitions that a sneeze could exorcise your soul from your body. Variations of the superstitions include that a sneeze could exorcise evil spirits from your body. Both of these superstitious thoughts came with the belief that a blessing from God could halt the expulsion of the soul, or it could protect the person sneezing and others in the room from receiving the now exorcised demons. Another possibility for the terminology's inception is that in response to the bubonic plague, the Pope at that time suggested saying bless you to somehow keep a person from certain death. In any case, the purpose for blessing someone after the sneeze is hardly based on too much merit. We certainly do not need to say bless you each time a person sneezes, but it has certainly become an extremely common tradition throughout the world, in many languages and in many countries. I want to leave you with one last fun fact, which is that a lady by the name of Donna Griffiths from Worcestershire, England, sneezed for 978 days, sneezing once every minute. This is the longest sneezing episode on record. I imagine someone was not standing behind her saying bless you for the entirety of her episode. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm so glad that you are searching for the love of God. I am praying that the Lord will help you to overcome each test and trial you have to endure in this life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you have anything good to say, you can comment down below.